in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make fluffy slime. First, put your glue in a bowl. Then you can go in with your shaving cream. I added a little bit too much shaving cream, so I had to go in with some more glue. It's fine to add lots of shaving cream, it just makes your slime harder to stretch and more fluffy. I like to have stretchy slime, so I added more glue. Once that's done, you can mix it all together. I added some foaming hand wash just to make it a little bit more bubbly, but you don't have to do that. Just shaving cream and glue is fine. Then you can add your coloring. I did yellow and blue tempera paint. My slime turned into a really pretty green color, but the camera didn't really capture it and made it look kind of gross. So that's why it looks kind of bad, but in real life it looks really good. Anyway, you can go in with your activator after your color's all mixed in. My table's really wobbly at the moment because I'm using a new one and it's not very stable, so that's why it's all been wiggling around everywhere. Anyway, it took me a lot of activator until it got to the right consistency, and I actually took it out of the bowl into my hands and kneaded it for a little while. When it's ready, it'll look like this. It's amazingly stretchy, it's got great poking sounds and amazing bubble pops, which you'll see in a minute. When you're done with it, put it in an airtight container and leave it for a couple of hours. When you come back, there will be a beautiful layer of bubbles on top. And that's how you make fluffy slime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.